Today we're on the road in Michigan again, driving to the west side of the state for the Kalamazoo Spring Train Show. After getting lucky with a few deals last month, I've taken up trying to resell a few things on eBay, so hopefully we'll find some cool stuff at a good price. The Battle Creek Model Railroad Club and the Holland Modular Railroad Club had some great HO scale layouts on display, with lots of little references to Michigan throughout, including the nearby home of Kellogg's, Cereal City, USA. We love our cornflakes here in Michigan, almost as much as we love Lionel trains. I couldn't help but pick up this 1983 Baltimore and Ohio set, mostly because of that amazing blue color scheme. I've been searching for a Civil War era O-gauge locomotive for a few years now, and I've almost bought the Cedar Point Myron set from Lionel more than a few times. However, my big find was this American Flyer set, which I bought along with a pretty decent lot of S-gauge track. I've recently learned a lot about the decline of American Flyer in the 1960s, and how S-gauge became victim to the appeal of slot car racing. I haven't researched this set very deeply yet, but I believe it may have been made well before then. If you have any info on this American Flyer set, please feel free to let me know in the comments. And now, enjoy some HO scale trains from the Battle Creek Model Railroad Club and the Holland Modular Railroad Club. As always, thank you for watching, and happy railroading.